Hi viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss interest on drawings and various methods of calculating interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is the amount to be paid by the partner to the firm for the amount withdrawn by them during the year. That means if any partner is withdrawn any such amount as drawings, the partner is to be given an interest to the firm. That is called interest on drawings. And as we studied earlier, in the absence of partnership deed, interest on drawings need not be paid by the partner. Okay. Such an interest serves as a source of income to the firm. The interest on drawings should be calculated from the day the drawings were made first in a specific rate of interest. Okay. There are various methods using for calculating interest on drawings. First one is simple method. When partners are withdraw unequal amount at unequal time intervals, that time we can use this simple method. That means this method is used when drawings are made irregular basis. The calculation formula is amount of drawings into rate of interest divided by 100 into number of months divided by 12. This is the formula for using simple method. This method we can explain with a simple example. Okay. A and B are partners. Partner A withdraw rupees 10,000 on 31st June 2017 and rupees 8,000 on 31st December 2017. Calculate interest on drawings for the financial year 2017-18 when rate of interest is 10%. Here in this question, partner A withdraw unequal amount, that means 10,000 and 8,000 at unequal time intervals. So in this case, we can use simple method. Under simple method, interest on drawings equal to drawings, amount of drawings into rate divided by 100 into month divided by 12. Here month means how many months are remaining after the drawings. Here partner A withdraws 10,000 rupees on 31st June 2017. So first we need to calculate the month. Month means how many months remaining after this drawings. Our financial year is 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. So calculation is from 31st June 2017 to 31st March 2018, how many months is remaining? July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March 31st. So 9 months is remaining. So the calculation is 10,000 into 10%. Interest rate is 10% into 9 months divided by 12. The amount would be 750. Also, he withdrew 8,000 rupees on 31st December 2017. So the calculation is, first we had to calculate the months. How many months are remaining after these drawings? So remaining months are January, February, March. 3 months. The calculation is 8,000 into 10%. The rate is 10% into 3 by 12. That's equal to 200. And the total interest on drawings will be 750 plus 200, 950. This is the way we are calculating interest on drawings under simple method. The next method we are using for calculating interest on drawings is product method. This product method is used when the drawings are made in irregular basis. Okay, so This product method is used when the drawings are made by the partners for more than 2 or 3 times in a year. If we use simple method for calculating drawings or calculation of interest on drawings for more than 2 or 3 times in a year, then it will be a very lengthy process. To avoid this lengthy process, we are using this product method. The formula for calculation of interest on drawings is total of product into rate divided by 100 into 1 by 12. Here 1 is the 1 month. Here we need to take total product amount. Okay, let us try to understand this method with the help of an example. A is a partner in a firm. Withdraw the following amounts on the dates mentioned below. The accounts are closed on 31st March each year. Calculate interest on drawings at 5% per annum. 1st April 2017 1000, 1st August 2017 2500, 30th November 2017 1000 and 31st January 2018 rupees 5000. In this question, partner A withdraws unequal amount on unequal intervals. There is no regular period or there is no regular amount. So that case we can use product method. If we use this simple method, it will be very lengthy process. Okay, because the drawings is made more than 2 times. Under product method, first of all, we need to take total product amount. Here, the first drawings is held on 1st April 2017 and the amount is 1000. So, we need to count the remaining months after the drawings. Here, 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018 is 12 months. So, the period is 12 months. So, we can calculate the product. Product we can calculate by multiplying the amount and months. That means 1000 into 12, the amount would be 12,000. Then he withdraw on 1st August 2017 rupees 2500. The month remaining after this drawings is from August to 31st March. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 8 months. So period is 8 months and the product is the amount 2500 into 8, 20,000. And again he withdraw on 30th September 2017 rupees 1000. The remaining month after this drawings is 30th September 2017 to 31st March 2018. That means the next month from October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 months. Period is 6 months. The product is 1000 into 6,000. Again, he withdraw on 31st January 2018 rupees 5000. The month remaining after this drawings is February, March, 2 months, and the product would be 5000 into 2. The amount is 10,000. Now we have to total this all 12,000 plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 10,000. The amount total is 48,000. So we got the total product amount rupees 48,000. Then next we have to calculate interest on drawings. The formula is total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. Here total product amount is 48,000 and rate is 5%. So interest on drawings is 48,000 into 5 divided by 100 into 1 by 12. The amount would be 200. This is the way we have to calculate interest on drawings on product method.